Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Vashaf welcomes you to Indiblaze restaurant, good food in a flash. So today I'm going to show you another great ingredient, and you can put this and eat it with many combinations. Today everybody complains about white rice and so on. So here at Indiblaze restaurant we have brown rice, and especially what I love is black rice. This is what I really enjoyed when I was in Spain, Portugal. You know, they make a lot of paella dishes with black rice, but even in India we have this black rice available. We get it from, Assam, Meghalaya, that region, and this is one of the rices we use. So today this rice has got very nutty kind of taste. You can make your combinations of recipes here using black rice, the brown rice. We also have biryani rice and the coriander rice and so many. So in this I'm going to add some ingredients, and I'm going to make black rice and egg salad. One is black, one is white. First I'm going to add some more ingredients because the egg is going to go on top of it. We can use whatever kinds of lettuce you want. See, the more greens you eat, it is better. At home, if you don't have arugula, I know arugula is you cannot get everywhere, but this is one of the most potent, nutritious, filled with all kind of vitamins and minerals. So maybe a little bit expensive. We are serving it here at Indiblaze restaurant because our motto is to introduce good and healthy food for the younger generation. And in this you can add all the other ingredients, including tomato, you want corn, tossed vegetables, bell pepper, and so on. I want to make this into a nice black rice salad, and in this I'm also going to add some peanuts because I somehow love the taste of peanuts with this black rice. With the egg, I love the combination of cheese and also some broccoli. We got all the vegetables here. Our range of ingredients are so much that you can make your own combination. Nobody will tell you, oh no, you have to eat this item. If you don't like certain item, you can always say no to it and only add ingredients what you love. I'm going to use some mustard dressing with the egg, sriracha sauce, a little bit of ranch dressing. With the egg, I want some spice to it. Mix all these ingredients, and the last ingredient I'm going to add is egg. 1 or 2 eggs, and ready to serve. We have this excellent black rice and egg salad. Black rice is very nutty. When you eat it, you feel as if you're eating some almonds or something that has been blanched, and this is what it is, our black rice and egg salad. You can make your own combinations at Indiblaze restaurant. You can make your own combinations using ingredients that are available here. Nobody is going to tell you what to eat. Here you make your own combinations, and of course we have plenty of choices here. You can choose them and order. This is another favorite of mine, the black rice and egg salad. We don't have it on the menu, but if you request, they definitely will make it. Right from my childhood, eggs have been one of my favorite. And friends, the black rice and egg salad, and this is the beautiful, the nice colors and the ingredients, just super and super. Dear friends, we have 6 locations in Hyderabad. You can order through delivery apps, and as I always say, keep cooking great food. Go to the restaurants where they serve you the best of the best quality ingredients, and keep saying Vareva. Indiblaze restaurants in High-Tech City, Jubilee Hills, Himayat Nagar, Banjara Hills. You can also order online from our Gachibowli and Kukatpally kitchens.